Welcome all. We have already started our third lesson, that was integers. That day we have seen the concept of natural number, whole number, positive number, negative numbers, and what were integers. Okay, we have also seen the number line, how we are going to denote the numbers over there. So just pay attention. There is one question from your exercise, that is write the numbers in the following examples using proper sign. I am just going to solve two questions from it so that you will understand how we are going to write it. The tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters underground. Now under the ground, just remember it is going down inside the ground. It is not above the ground. So when it is under, you are going to use the negative. So it is under the ground. So we are going. I told you when it is under, you are going to write. You are going to write a negative sign, and it is 2 meters under the ground. So I am going to write -2 meter. Is this clear? This is only your answer. Second question. A kite is flying 120 meter above the ground. Above the ground, so we are going to use the positive sign, and it is flying 120 meters above it. So I am just going to write plus 120 meter. Always remember, I have told you that day itself that we are not going to use the plus sign in front of a positive number. But for example's sake, if you want to show it, you can use it, but not necessary every time. Okay? It is above the ground, so obviously it will be a positive number, and positive number do not require plus sign. Now just focus on the next part. Same. They might be positive, they might be negative. When two signs are same, the answer is always positive. And when two signs are different, one is positive, another is negative, the answer is negative. Always remember this, just keep in your mind. Okay? We are going to solve the problems related to it. There are few questions given on the board, we are going to solve them. By looking at them, you will be thinking what is going to be here. So just focus, just remember the rules, you will understand everything clearly. Okay? So now, rules I am just going to write on the board. When two signs were same, the answer was positive. When two signs were same, again the answer was what? Positive. When two signs were different, that was one is plus, another is minus, the answer is negative. And when two signs are different, again the answer will be negative. So these are the rules which we have just now seen. So we are going to solve the problem related to it. Now, just focus on this first problem. It is plus 5 plus 3. Plus 5 plus 3. Focus on the first number. It is plus 5. So I am just going to write it plus 5 as it is. I have just removed the bracket of number. Okay, what I did? I have written the first number as it is down. Now focus on this plus sign and this plus sign. What I am telling? Just focus on these two signs. What I have given you? Yes, one is plus, another is plus. Signs are same over here. How are signs? Signs are same. So when the signs are same, what I am supposed to do? What I am supposed to do? Yes, I am going to add them. When two signs are same, the answer will be also the same, that is positive itself. So instead of these two plus signs, I am going to write 1 plus. Is this okay? What I did, instead of these two plus signs, because plus is always plus. And now the remaining number I wrote down 3 as it is. What I did, I have written plus 5 as it is. These two plus signs were present here. I have plus is always plus. So I have written, instead of this 2 plus, I have written 1 time that plus. And 3 I have written as it is. Now just focus on the number. Now focus on this step. Plus 5 plus 3. Just see their signs. Plus 5 plus 3. That is, two signs are same over here. When two signs are same, we are going to add them. That is, plus is always plus. So what I am going to do? That is plus. Means I am just going to do the addition. Addition of which numbers? 5 and 3. What is the addition of 5 and 3? Yes, addition of 5 and 3 is 8. And bigger number is which over here? Which is the bigger number from 5 and 3? It was 5. 5 is having which sign? Which is the sign assigned to 5 here? it was plus, so answer will be plus 8. Again I am repeating what I have told you just now. Just see over here. Plus 5 plus bracket plus 5. What we have did? First step, plus 5 as it is I have written down. Now if you see here, 2 times plus signs were there. So 2 times plus sign means 2 times same sign. We are knowing when signs are same, we are going to do the addition, that is plus. So 2 times the signs were same. I have written them 1 time because it was given over there in the rule, and 3 I have written as it is. Now 2 times plus it is. So 2 times plus means what? Plus plus is always plus. So we are going to add the digits. That is 5 plus 3 is 8. And this bigger number is having plus sign. So it will be plus. Just focus over here now. What I am going to do? Yes, plus 6 plus bracket minus 2. This first number in all the questions I am going to do, I am going to write it as it is. That is plus 6 I am going to mention as it is. Okay, only at the thing I did, I remove the brackets. Now just focus here. Plus and this minus. When two signs are different, what will be the answer? Yes, it is going to be negative. So plus minus minus. So instead of this plus minus, which sign I will write? Minus. And this 2 will come as it is over here. What I did, just focus, just see properly. This plus, this minus, as per the rule, 1 plus, 1 minus. When the signs are different, the answer will be minus. So I am going to write, instead of this plus and minus, I wrote minus. This 2 I have written down. Okay, now just focus on this. Plus minus, minus. So I am going to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 2 is what? Why I am going to subtract it? Yes, because plus minus is minus, and I am going to subtract them. 6 minus 2 is 4. Here the bigger number is which? 6 or 2? The bigger number is 6, and 6 is having which sign? Plus sign. So my answer will be also having plus sign. So the answer is plus 4. Have you understood this? Okay. We will focus on the next part. Okay, just see here. 5. Now the first number is given without the sign. They have written as it is. So I am also going to write it as it is. Now second step. Just see on these two numbers. 2 times minus it is. 2 times minus. 2 times minus means what? When signs are same, the answer is what? Positive. Yes or no? We are knowing here. When the signs were same, the answer is positive. That is minus minus will be positive. That is plus. Minus minus means plus. This 3 I am going to write as it is. Instead of this 2 minus sign, what I did? I have written instead of that 2 minus sign, because minus minus the answer was plus. I have written plus over here, and these 3 I have written as it is over here. Is this clear? Okay. Now tell me, what is 5 plus 3? Normal addition. What is 5 plus 3? Yes, 5 plus 3 is 8. Is this clear? Is this clear for you? Okay. Now you will be thinking, teacher, why you have not written over here plus 5 or plus 8? Now positive number, one video before this I have told you, positive number does not consist sign. Yes or no? You are not supposed to write plus sign in front of it. If you think this 5 which is present, which is positive number, will be having plus sign, sure it is. So plus plus is plus. That was 5 plus 3. What I did? 8. And bigger number is having plus sign. So the answer will be plus 8. You can write it 8 also, and you can write it plus 8 also. No issue. Fine. Just we focus on the fourth problem. Just see over here. 6 plus bracket minus 2. 6 plus bracket minus 2. What is my first rule? I am just going to write the first number as it is. Fine. What is my next part? I am just going to see the signs over here. What are the signs? One is plus, one is minus. Plus minus, when signs are different, answer will be minus. So plus minus is minus, and this 2 will be as it is written down. Is this okay? Plus minus is minus. This 2 will be written as it is. Can you tell me what is 6 minus 2? What is 6 minus 2? Yes, it is. So have you understood these 4 questions? Okay. Okay, now more 4 questions we will solve on the board. Just focus on them. Fine. Minus 5 plus bracket minus 2. What is our first step? Yes, we are going to write the first number as it is. However it is given to you, just place it as it is. Here it is minus 5, so I am also going to write it minus 5 as it is. Plus minus, two signs are different. When two signs are different, what is the answer? Yes, it is minus. Plus minus is minus. So I am just going to write, instead of that plus minus, I am going to write one time only minus, and the 2 will come as it is. Is this okay? Fine. Now just pay attention over here. Minus, minus. Two signs you can see here. Which are those? Minus, minus. When it is minus, minus, what you are supposed to do? When it is minus, minus, what you are supposed to do? Yes, we are supposed to add them. That is 5 plus 2. What we are supposed to, when two sides are different, when two sides are same, we are going to add them. That is 5 plus 2, it is 7. Focus on the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Yes, 5 is the bigger number. And what is the sign of 5? It is minus. So answer will be also having minus 7. Now just focus on the next part. Okay? As per rule, I am going to write minus 5 as it is, which is the first number. Okay? Minus minus. Minus minus is what? Plus. This 2 will come as it is down. Brackets are released over here. Just focus. Minus plus. Minus plus is minus, which I am going to do subtraction of these two numbers. I am going to subtract these two numbers. Why? Because minus plus is what? Minus 5 minus 2 is what? 3. What is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number here? 5. Which signs 5 was having? Minus. So that only minus sign I am supposed to give to my answer. Okay? Just focus over here now on the next question. As per rule, what I do? Minus 5 as it is. Okay? Is there any number, is there any sign present now for that 2 there? No. Right now there is no sign. Only one time you may see a minus sign. So I am going to write that one sign as it is and the 2 as it is. I have removed the bracket up. Minus minus. What is minus minus? Plus. So I am going to add the two numbers, that is 5 plus 2. When two signs are same, you are going to add them. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Bigger number is having minus sign, so I am going to give it minus 7. Just focus on the fourth part or the fourth question. 5 plus bracket minus 2. As per rule, what I will do? 5 write as it is. Plus minus. What is plus minus? Plus minus is minus. So I am going to write minus. Instead of that, I am just going to place 2 over here. Can you tell me what is 5 minus 2? Simple, it is 5 minus 2 is 3. Just focus now. You will be thinking if you are telling from before, check the bigger number sign, bigger number sign. Which is the bigger number from 5 and 2? 5 is bigger. There is no sign. If there is no sign, which sign is present? Yes, it is plus sign. So automatically this will be also having plus. If you are not supposed to write, don't write also, no issue. But when it is negative, you are supposed to mention it by minus sign. I hope you have understood this. If not, please revise it back. Just see again and again. Tell me and just try to solve the questions which are given in your textbook.